Hey there, Rickshaw. How are you? Out in the north end here, came across this little car graveyard. Yeah, I bet you that's an old army truck. It's basically, yeah, I bet you that's what it is. An old surplus army truck. Yeah. No telling what that is. But I saw this over here, so I wanted to go out and see what it was. Yeah, it's a couple of them. There we go. That's an old 40s design. Streamline design. Well, no telling what it used to be. Oh, it's a Chevy. There you go. It's an old Chevy. There you go. Look at that. Rubber's gone, but hey, the glass is still good. Ooh. Oh, there's a couple of old trucks over there. Huh. Pretty neat. There you go. These are, in a way, these are kind of like the masts, or I forget what they put them on the front of ships, the old wooden sailing ships. In a way, it's kind of reminiscent of that kind of tradition of putting. Wow, pretty cool. It's a museum of old vehicles. There you go. Rusted away. I wonder what kind of. Oh wow, isn't that freaking cool? Isn't that cool? 326. Company 326 maybe? Another old army vehicle. was a really hefty truck. Oh, too bad. Nothing here to indicate what model or make it was. Well, I wonder if, yeah, that's for the air scoop right there. That's air conditioning back in the day. Oh my God. I don't know, body's sort of okay. You could salvage something from this. Sort of. Yeah, the body actually looks okay. You could actually salvage something from this. Maybe, but... That's it. So, some old vehicles sitting out here in the Maine woods. All right, I'll see you later.